Hi, this topic's called Converting Between Natural Logarithms and Exponential Equations. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about where logarithms come from, but just know that they are the inverse functions of exponentials. That's why you learn them both at the same time, or they're paired both at the same time in advanced algebra. That's my dog if you hear growling. Sorry about that. So the first thing that we need to kind of remember is just how to convert regular logs to exponential notation. Actually, I'm going to make that a b of x equals a. This is just a regular log. This letter here is called the base, so it's log base b of x equals a. Log base b of x equals a. The way that we convert this to exponential is we take the base and we raise it to the power. So we would convert this by writing b to the a. And what is that going to equal? Well, there's only one other thing that it's going to equal, the x. That's how you convert. So that's like, put that as the top of your paper in the corner. That's your key. The only difference for natural logarithms, and again, I want to try to keep this video short, but you can Google where natural logarithms come from. They're really cool. They found out that there's a lot of things in nature that occur for a number that they called E. It's for a guy named Euler. You spell his name E-U-L-E-R. But anyways, that's a number. It's something like 2.718. It's irrational, so it goes on and on. Anyways, when we have a log and it's in the base of E, we call it a natural log. And we write it with the letters ln. So if we see ln, sorry, I want to see if I can undo that. There we go. So if we have ln of x equals a, the way that I do it is I just take it in baby steps. Whenever I see ln of x, I know that I'm actually talking about log with a base e of x equals a. And then it's easier for me to process how to convert it. To convert that to an exponential, it would be e to the a equals x. So what I'm going to do is change the slide here. And I'm just going to copy that part here, that if I have ln natural log of a equaling x, that is going to become e to the x equals a. All right, and again, if it was me and I had homework to do, or until I got used to it, this here's a letter E, I would literally just keep this in the corner of my paper. So that means that if I have ln of x equals 9, and they're asking me to put it in exponential form, again, in my brain, I'm going to take it slow. I know that it means log of base e of x equals 9, and now I can write my exponential equation where e to the 9 is going to equal x. All right, let's try one more where they gave you the natural log. Let's say this time they have natural log of 4 equals y. In my brain, I know that it's log base e of 4 equals y. And now to make my exponential equation, it's e to the y equals 4. So again, just kind of taking it slow for that when you're converting from a natural log to an exponential. How about if we go the other way around? So again, if we have the natural log of a equals x, that would translate as e to the x equals a. Put that at the corner of your paper. So this time if we're given something where e to the y equals 6, well, this here tells us that our log, that's going to be the base of the log. Base e means just natural log. And then of 6 equals y. So e to the y equals 6. That's just my check. So my final answer is ln. Sorry, my final answer would have just been, I just wrote all over it, it would just be ln of 6 equals y. So that was just double checking, is this true? Let's try another one. What if you're given e to the x equals 10? Again, this is my base, so that's telling me to use natural log. This is my power, so that's going to go on the other side of the equal sign. So it's natural log of 10 equals x. All right. Those you just kind of have to slough your way through. I haven't found a quick trick or an easy way to get through them except to have these kind of keys at the top. Having those at the top of my paper, once I get into a groove, I can figure them out pretty quick. But when I'm just starting off, I need a little refresher, and that's what that does for me. So, all right, I hope this helped. Thank you.